Good morning. So I am going to try to start vlogging more. I don't know if I want to do weekly vlogs, maybe every other week, but I feel like if I'm vlogging, it kind of makes me more productive because I obviously can't film myself doing nothing, so it allows me or forces me to get through things that I need to get done. So right now it's like 10:15 in the morning. I woke up kind of late because I could not sleep last night, and so I didn't really have a great workout. I kind of like only ran half a mile, but I walked like 3 or 4. Right now what I am doing is I am going through and responding to comments. I've been really bad at doing that, so I'm going to take like 30 or so minutes to respond to some comments before getting my day started. And mostly what I want to do today is plan out some content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and also just get a bit more organized. So that is what I'm going to be doing in today's vlog. Okay, before I take a shower, I'm gonna wash the dishes, and I don't know if I was the only one who grew up being told that hand washing is less wasteful than using the dishwasher, but actually the dishwasher uses less water than hand washing, but I do like to kind of double cleanse them, so I'm just gonna kind of quickly wash all of them and load up the dishwasher. And also you know you're an adult when you get excited about things like this. Last week I got this Scrub Daddy Scrub Mommy. It's a dual-sided sponge and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash some dishes and clean up my dirty kitchen that I did not clean last night before I take a shower. Okay, my favorite part about this sponge is that the smiley face, I think you're supposed to put your fingers like this. I don't know why this is so funny to me, but the smiley face is supposed to be the clean, like, spoons and forks and silverware. Look, this is my favorite part. Dishwasher is all loaded up. Something cool about this is that you can actually wash this in the dishwasher, so I'm going to throw that in there. Before I run it, I am going to cut up this cantaloupe and watermelon and put it into my glass jars, and then after that I will just throw all of these into the dishwasher. So I only did half of the watermelon and then the whole cantaloupe, and I like to eat this for breakfast, lunch, snack, just a really quick, easy thing to have. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the fridge. Yesterday I was taking a shower and my shower head like popped off and broke. This is a brand new apartment. I'm the first person to live here, so I don't know why shower heads are breaking. So look at how I have to take my showers until the maintenance comes and fixes it. Oh my god! It's been about 2 weeks since I've had these nails on, and I'm definitely ready to change them to something more neutral. These are a lot more colorful and bold than I usually do, so I'm gonna take these off. I've been watching the listening to Unfiltered podcast, so I'm just gonna take off my nails and do something a bit shorter since I am going back to work soon, and it's kind of hard to type with nails this long.
Evans was like leaning against
like, well, attention, say hi. Back and forth, just waiting.
Really?
I think when the timer goes out. That's definitely more than 36. That's it.
Oh, she's. Oh.
Whoa!
Yes, I don't know if there's different.
The Amato Foundation.
Oh, God.
Wow. That's how our brain works. So why don't you treat your teeth done? Or
Everything.
If you have to amputate your leg.
See him or don't see him if you don't want to on the camera.
Exactly. And
this is what my nails look like after I took off the gel extensions, and I originally had planned on doing like a cute almond set with maybe like some browns or nudes, but actually thinking about it, it's been like several months of me doing the gel extensions like constantly back to back, and my natural nails are actually getting pretty long, but I feel like I kind of just want a break, so I think I'm just gonna do like a clear coat and a top coat. Probably do like a builder gel to add strength to it because I don't want my nails to break, and I think I might just rock the natural nails. My natural nails ended up turning out. I did this little like blue and yellow swirl. This is my dominant hand, and then this is what the left hand looks like. Maintenance finally came and gave me a new shower head, so I can finally take regular shower heads again. I have driven to Dallas so many times, but this part always stresses me out. This part where you like cross the white bridge and like 35 and 75 and all these highways meet will forever stress me out. Okay, I just got home and I'm so bad at vlogging because I wanted to record like what I ate and drank. Completely forgot, but it's like 10:30. We went to this place in Dallas, like Deep Ellum area called Federales, and I've never been there, but it was kind of cool. They were playing good music, Bad Bunny. The food was, the queso was good. The drinks were good. I just had 2 shots of tequila and 2 margaritas, but I'm actually running a 5K race in the morning in Dallas, so I'm gonna have to drive back out there again. It's 10:30. I'm waking up at 5, so I'm gonna shower and go to sleep. I will remember to record tomorrow. So 5K is 3.1 miles, and the sponsor of the race is the restaurant Mi Cocina, and at the finish line they hand you a margarita. So super excited, but I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
A little.
Thank you so much. Thank you.